you want to do projects that are inspiring and that make people excited about the future. Life's got to be about more than just solving problems.
For over a decade, tablets have promised power, portability, and productivity. But let's be honest, most of them have disappointed. Sluggish performance, weak battery life, and ecosystem lock-ins have made even top-tier devices feel stale. And while Apple's iPad has maintained a dominant position, it hasn't revolutionized the tablet experience in years. Incremental updates, same old limitations. But now, Tesla is stepping in, and everything is about to change. Introducing the Tesla Pi tablet, coming Q3 2025, a groundbreaking device engineered not just to compete, but to leapfrog every major player in the market. In today's deep dive, we're exploring how Tesla's neural processing, battery technology, display innovations, and health tracking features are pushing the boundaries of what a tablet can be. This is not your average spec sheet rundown. This is about how Tesla has built a device that feels like the future. Before we begin, take a second to hit that subscribe button and join our journey, where we bring you the sharpest takes on game-changing tech. Let's get into it. 1. Neural Core 2.0, Tesla's secret weapon 115. Let's start with Tesla's most revolutionary move, Neural Core 2.0. While Apple's latest S10 chip performs well in standard benchmarks, it was never designed for what Tesla's aiming to achieve. Tesla's Neural Core 2.0 rethinks how processing should work, not just faster but smarter. Built on a 3nm architecture, this chip handles 1.5 trillion operations per second, giving it a commanding 50% performance advantage over Apple's S10. What does that mean in real-world use? Apps launch in just 0.5 seconds. That's a 33% speed increase. Switching between apps? Done in 0.2 seconds, smooth and stutter-free. AI functions like speech-to-text? Tesla does it in 0.8 seconds compared to Apple's 1.2. And here's the big kicker. Tesla's processor is paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, allowing seamless multitasking across 5 active applications. Health apps, video calls, streaming, browser, and music, all running simultaneously. Apple devices, on the other hand, struggle beyond 2 concurrent apps, with a 15% performance drop under load. In Geekbench 6 tests, the Pi tablet scores 12,000 on multi-core performance. Apple's S10 chip? Just 2,500. Tesla isn't just pushing specs. They're redefining responsiveness, and it's something you feel in every tap, swipe, and task. 2. 16K microLED display, clarity like never before 320. Now let's talk display, and this is where Tesla really shows off. The Pi tablet features a 12.5-inch dual microLED panel with a staggering 16K resolution. That's 15,360 x 8,640 pixels, packing an unmatched 1,228 ppi pixel density. What does that mean? Text is razor sharp, visible from any angle. Photos show details you've never seen before. Videos, immersive to the point of surreal. With 3,000 nits of brightness, visibility under direct sunlight is flawless, triple what Apple delivers. Whether you're checking vitals on a park bench or video calling on a beach, everything stays crystal clear. But the real magic? The contrast ratio. Tesla's 2:0,0,0,0,0 contrast ratio creates depth that's almost 3D. Shadows have richness, highlights have pop, and your eyes don't strain. This is especially valuable for seniors or anyone with visual sensitivity. Gone are the days of squinting or zooming. The Pi tablet was designed to be seen comfortably and clearly, anytime, anywhere. 5-day battery life, the 4680 HyperCore. Let's talk endurance. Tesla has leveraged its EV battery innovation and packed it into the Pi tablet using its proprietary 4680 HyperCore quantum density cells. These power units deliver 45% more energy density than standard lithium-ion batteries. Translation: 5 full days of real-world use. That's 120 hours of mixed activity. including browsing, streaming, health monitoring, and communication. With zero need to recharge in between, Apple's top devices rarely exceed 12 hours. You do the math. And when it's time to recharge, Tesla's 120W Gigacharger gets the Pi tablet from 0 to 100% in just 10 minutes. Compare that to over 2 hours on Apple's fastest devices, and you begin to see why this isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new battery standard. For seniors, caregivers, or travelers, that means peace of mind. No outlet hunting. No panic over dying devices in emergencies. Just 5 days of reliable, uninterrupted power. 4. Health monitoring, designed for seniors. But perhaps the most impactful feature isn't speed or screen, it's care. The Tesla Pi tablet is more than a device. It's a personal health companion. With real-time heart rate tracking, blood pressure measurement, fall detection, and sleep analysis, it's designed for continuous health insights without any accessories. 99% heart rate accuracy, 40% faster data processing, ECG readings in 2 seconds versus Apple's 3. The Neural Core 2.0 identifies anomalies within 1 second, which could be crucial in a medical emergency. Imagine a senior experiencing arrhythmia while gardening. The Pi tablet detects it instantly, sends GPS-coordinated alerts to caregivers, and can even contact emergency services, all automatically. Apple's system requires more time and misses about 20% of irregular heartbeats under stress. The 12.5-inch display means no more squinting at tiny graphs. Seniors can clearly see a week's worth of vitals, spot trends, and make informed decisions. Plus, Tesla's AI-powered alert system beats Apple Siri reminders by a mile. 95% accuracy for medication alerts, heart warnings, and custom notifications. It's support, not just features. 5. The verdict. Is Tesla about to disrupt tablets forever? 9:30. The Tesla Pi tablet isn't just a product, it's a platform built for modern living. Lightning-fast Neural Core 2.0. Stunning 16K dual microLED display. Battery that lasts 5 full days. Health features that can save lives. And the best part? It's not theoretical. It's shipping later this year. Whether you're a power user, senior citizen, or someone who simply wants more reliability and intelligence in your daily tech, this device could change the way you live. So now we want to hear from you. Which feature blew your mind the most? Drop a B for battery life, a P for power efficiency, or a C for charging speed. And if health features matter most to you or someone you care about, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our upcoming in-depth review of the Tesla Pi tablet.